Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave, and I am... Today I'm going to share with you a recipe my mom came up with when we were growing up as kids. And it's our take on, well, her take on peanut butter and banana sandwiches. It's just 4 ingredients you need. Bread, of course, that's not one of the ingredients, but to make the peanut butter banana mixture, you'll need, of course, a banana, your favorite peanut butter, mine is Jif, I almost said salt, sugar, and milk. I always use whole milk. And let's get started. So if you can, try to get you a pretty deep mixing bowl, because once you add the milk, it can splash up on the sides. You'll probably see that happen once I start combining it all. But the banana, you're probably going to want about half of it. None of these measurements are exact because you may make a different amount. Then take a large fork and just mash it all up against the side. The riper the banana is, the softer it's going to be and easier to mush. This one is just a little bit green still, just a tad bit. So it could have been softer, but it'll do fine. Then after you got that, you'll want to add your peanut butter. And I usually do about 2 parts peanut butter to 1 part banana mixture. So let's see, we'll do 1 scoop and a second. Then you'll want to just add enough milk to soften it up a little bit. Just a little bit of a splash, just a little bit. And then sugar is totally up to you. Just depends on how sweet you want it. I usually put about half a tablespoon to start with. Then you just combine it. But be careful, see how that milk is swirling around in there? If you give that thing a good hard whip, it's gonna come rushing up the side. So try to get the milk combined in before I really start beating on it. And that's about good. Now I can really get it. You want your peanut butter to come out a little bit lighter colored than it was going in there. This doesn't look very light. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. Like I said, this is trial and error, folks. That's more like the color. You want it like a light brown caramel looking color. Give it a taste test, see how it is. It actually needs more sugar and a bit more milk. It's still got too much of the peanut butter consistency. That gets stuck to the roof of your mouth. That's perfect. I don't know if you can tell, but the stuff in the bowl is definitely a lot lighter than the stuff in the jar. Let's get this plated up and see how it is. You can see how much is left after I put a whole bunch on that piece of bread. That'll easily make 3 more sandwiches, so just keep that in mind as far as your portions when you're measuring it out. So we're gonna put the lid on it. Give it a try. Need some milk with it. That's always what I ate peanut butter with, whether it be jelly, bananas, or whatever as a kid. Was milk. And then look, it's gonna ooze out and make a mess. But yeah, this is it's really coming out. I guess I squeezed it too hard. The only reason I remember this recipe is because as an adult, I kept on making it because I enjoy it so much. Give it a try if you're a peanut butter lover like I am, you're gonna like this because you'll take peanut butter just about any way, shape, or form that you can get it. Golly, this is good stuff. But messy. Guys, make yourself a batch of this stuff, try it out. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. Have a happy Veterans Day and have a great rest of the week. See you on the next video.